So you've got a document with tons of information, but it feels like a never-ending maze. Well, fear not, my friend, because I'm here to show you how to navigate document sections like a pro. First things first, let's talk about headings. Headings are like signposts that guide you through your document. They give you a clear idea of what each section is about. So, make sure to use descriptive and concise headings to keep things organized. Next up, we have Table of Contents. This nifty little feature allows you to jump straight to the section you need without scrolling endlessly. Just click on the heading in the Table of Contents, and voila! You're right where you need to be. Now, let's not forget about bookmarks. Bookmarks are like your personal shortcuts to important sections in your document. Simply highlight the section you want to bookmark, right-click, and select Add Bookmark. It's that easy. And finally, let's talk about hyperlinks. Hyperlinks are like magic portals that take you from one section to another. Just highlight the text you want to link, click on the hyperlink button, and choose the section you want to link to. Boom! You're instantly transported to the relevant section. So there you have it, my friends. With headings, table of contents, bookmarks, and hyperlinks, you'll never get lost in your documents again. Stay organized, stay efficient, and keep that content flowing smoothly. Happy navigating!